The next letter sound we are learning about is the letter sound P. Watch me as I write the letter. We go down, up, around. P. Now you have a go. Each time you write the letter, say its sound. P. 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 Let's look at Snappy the Snapper making the sound P. With the letter sound P, you begin with your lips together. Then, with a puff of air, open your lips. This is a lip popper sound because you make your lips pop. Listen to Snappy do it. Then you do it. P, P, P. What is this picture?
Pot.
It is a pot. It begins with the P sound. P, pot. Say the word slowly. P, o, t, pot.
Pot.
When you say pot, put your hand near your mouth. Can you feel the air pop out when you say the P sound?
Pot. Pot.
Let's look again at Snappy the Snapper